My name is Chris. This is our home in South LA, and we connected with Yael and Better Together Builders through, I think, a Google search initially. We had a project that we wanted to do. We wanted a major renovation of our bathroom, and so that's what connected us. Renovation was something new to both of us, so we wanted to connect with Yael and really learn about the process. So when she came over, we really connected initially. We felt that she had a vision in mind that was what we were looking for, and then we really started planning what we were going to do with the bathroom. So that process sort of put us at ease. We had some trepidation about the project overall. But Yael answered all of our questions. She was very upfront, very open, very realistic about what our expectations should be. And then, we made the choice to sort of pull the trigger and just do it. And we're very glad that we did. So she took our vision and she did a 3D rendering of the input that we gave her, and she also had some ideas herself. So what we really liked was how our ideas coalesced together into this grand design. And so once we sort of agreed on what the vision for the bathroom was, Yael was great about leading us through these steps, because again, this was our first renovation. When it came to choosing the materials that we needed for the project, she was able to come with us and help us through that process. And even during the process, we actually had some challenges with a window that ultimately needed to be sealed up. And that was one of those things that we weren't expecting, and I guess in another set of circumstances, that would have been something that would have been very, very stressful. But Yael was able to sort of walk us through the process and make it something that in the end, we weren't so worried about, and very glad that we did it. Throughout the process, she was always available, almost absurdly so, because we would text her sometimes fairly late at night, and it was great to sort of have that just that backup, just knowing that a renovation, I guess, of any type, you're always going to be nervous because it really disrupts your life. But this process, although it was somewhat disruptive, it was also very smooth. There was very little stress involved. When issues did come up, they were resolved very, very quickly. And ultimately, we ended up with a product that we didn't even realize that we could have. It really exceeded our vision. It exceeded our expectations. That vision that we initially had really evolved, and throughout the process, we sort of picked up on ideas, made small changes, made large changes, and in the end, we really ended up with a product that exceeded our expectations. And so we're very thankful that we were able to connect with Yael and the team, and we wouldn't hesitate to recommend them to friends, family, and we actually hope to work with them again in the future.